Right, so here's a little clip over here. So if you want to remove it, it's rather tricky. But basically, so you push on the side and you need to pull down as well. So once you push over, pull it down. And like I said, it's a bit tricky. Okay, almost there. Okay, and it comes out like that. So I've done the side, oh no, I haven't done the side. So, and pull it down like that. Looks like that. And then that goes down. So now, okay, this is supposed to be in here. That, I think that's supposed to be in there like that. But anyway, that's already loose. Right at the top here, it should be something you push down. And there we go, it just clips out. So wiggle this thing out there, however you want to. That's out. Cool, you should be two. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Just be careful of your wires. Look at that. There is the... Oh, disgusting. Look at that. So if you got new ones, just replace it, put it in. I don't have new ones, so I'm gonna have to clean it and put it back. Oh, that's how you get in there.